Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be discussing 10 healthy facts about sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are undoubtedly delicious, but they're also packed with nutrients that can help fight inflammation, improve digestion, and even lower your risk of chronic diseases. In this video, we'll be looking at 10 amazing health benefits of sweet potatoes. Let's get started. Number 1, sweet potatoes are loaded with nutrients. Sweet potatoes are a great source of many essential nutrients, including vitamin A, vitamin C, manganese, and dietary fiber. They're also a good source of potassium, which is important for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. One medium-sized sweet potato provides approximately 25% of the recommended daily intake of all of these nutrients. Number 2, sweet potatoes are high in beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is a pigment that gives fruits and vegetables their vibrant orange color. It's a type of carotenoid which is converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is essential for good vision, healthy skin, and a strong immune system. In fact, sweet potatoes contain more beta-carotene than any other commonly consumed food. The amount of beta-carotene in sweet potatoes varies depending on the variety and how it's cooked. For example, one medium-sized baked sweet potato with the skin contains approximately 98 micrograms of beta-carotene. That's more than twice the amount found in the same size baked potato. Number 3, sweet potatoes may help fight inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a common underlying cause of many chronic diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Fortunately, sweet potatoes contain several anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the body. For example, sweet potatoes are rich in antioxidants, which help protect cells from free radical damage and reduce oxidative stress. They also contain anti-inflammatory compounds called carotenoids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. Number 4, sweet potatoes may improve digestive health. Sweet potatoes are a good source of dietary fiber, which is essential for maintaining healthy digestion. The fiber in sweet potatoes helps to add bulk to the stool and promote regular bowel movements. Additionally, the carotenoids in sweet potatoes have been shown to have prebiotic effects, which means they can help nourish beneficial gut bacteria. These bacteria are essential for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome, which is important for overall health. Number 5, sweet potatoes may help regulate blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that sweet potatoes have a low glycemic index, meaning they don't cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. This is due to the high fiber content in sweet potatoes, which slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. In fact, one study found that eating a meal containing sweet potato and lean protein together can help improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. Number 6, sweet potatoes may help lower the risk of heart disease. Heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide, but several compounds in sweet potatoes may help reduce the risk of heart disease. For example, sweet potatoes are rich in antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of developing chronic diseases like heart disease. They also contain potassium, which is important for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. And the fiber in sweet potatoes can help lower cholesterol levels, which is another risk factor for heart disease. Number 7, sweet potatoes may support healthy vision. As mentioned earlier, sweet potatoes are a great source of beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is essential for good vision, and studies have shown that people with higher vitamin A intakes have a lower risk of developing age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Additionally, the vitamin C and vitamin E in sweet potatoes are also antioxidants that can help protect the eyes from oxidative stress and inflammation. Number 8, sweet potatoes may help lower the risk of certain cancers. Several studies have found that people who consume more sweet potatoes have a lower risk of developing certain cancers, including stomach cancer, liver cancer, and colorectal cancer. The antioxidants in sweet potatoes like beta-carotene and vitamin C can help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, which reduces the risk of cellular damage and the development of cancer. Additionally, the fiber in sweet potatoes can help remove carcinogens from the digestive tract, further reducing the risk of cancer. Number 9, sweet potatoes are versatile and easy to prepare. Sweet potatoes are a very versatile ingredient that can be prepared in many different ways. They can be baked, mashed, roasted, or even grilled. And they can also be used to make delicious soups, stews, and chili. Plus, sweet potatoes can be a healthy alternative to traditional starchy side dishes like white rice and pasta. Number 10. Sweet potatoes may aid weight loss. Despite their high calorie content, sweet potatoes may actually be a helpful addition to a weight loss diet. The fiber in sweet potatoes can help promote fullness and reduce appetite, leading to reduced calorie intake. Additionally, the complex carbohydrates in sweet potatoes are a good source of energy, which can help reduce cravings for sugary snacks and processed foods. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.